Hey y'all, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a small layout update here. This is my latest purchase. It's the Lionel 6827 flat car. And the part number on the actual flat car part is 642411. It's the same style as the piggyback car I have. And as you can see, it's in really rough shape. The wheels are really rusty, so this was exposed to the weather. And surprisingly, the couplers still work, but yeah, this is not really safe for running it on the tracks. So this is what I'm planning to do with this. Obviously, clean it up, and we're going to overhaul the trucks. We're going to put brand new trucks on it, and I might be putting a wide load on this. So I'm going to get a little creative with this. This is going to be a good little project. I'll be doing this in the workshop. So this is going to be another rebuild project under the Phase 2 part for the layout. So at least there's another project in for Phase 2. So anyway, that's the update that I have. And you're going to be seeing a whole good video on this as well. So anyway, that's a sneak preview of the next rebuild project. Stay tuned for the latest updates. All right, see y'all.